is like treacherous, dude.
Yeah, this is treacherous. We gotta show this video to my mom. Make me drive on this trip. Church over me, church over me, church over me, church over me. That's why my mom's like, eh.
Wow, this is great. Good old Surefine.
Damn, we can't go sled riding here.
There ain't even snow.
Yeah.
Ew, dude, putrid meat.
That's some
pungent gas cloud.
Ew,
That's some putrid late night vegetable waffle crisp air.
Ew, dude, beef air.
You would call me like,
What would I do?
Like, oh yeah, this and that, and then you'd be like, oh yeah.
Look at that, dude. Holy freaking crap.
It's sweeping at home because I just like, oh, my space. My space.
Well, Sam.
Yeah.
Happy holidays, everybody. Oh, look at it outside. Holy cow. Holy freaking cow. Oh, dude, I can't even believe it. Look at it now, Kasim. Oh. Holy cow. Hi, I'm Ted Cruz. Barack Hussein Obama is evil. He's bad. He lies. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. My name's Donald Trump. Let me tell you something. Oh, my name's Obama. Hi, I'm Bernie. Free bagels for everyone on Sunday. No fun stukit on your tukas. You only get cream cheese though. Okay.
I'm an ass fish. That's what I said.
Then make it real. And buy Bud Light beer with your team on it. It's Thanksgiving week, so traditions one around here, pardoning the turkeys in the White House dates all the way back.
Same hanging out on a Sunday night, Thanksgiving vacation, eating yummy, delicious homemade dinner.
You're a Magikarp after this steak plate.
I'm not gonna Magikarp. I'm not gonna Magikarp.
Thanks,
Hanging out
guys.
with Kasim. Yeah, thank you, Mom, for the delicious home cooked meal. Thank you so much.
What does it consist of?
Homemade quiche, homemade broccoli salad,
Oh, that's this.
pierogies, applesauce, cottage cheese, so vegetables, fruit, dairy, protein.
What do those vegetarians eat? I'll be gosh darn son of a gun.
Thanksgiving vacation, watching Sunday night football, Thanksgiving vacation during a snowstorm. Hanging out with Kasim. My mom made us home cooked meal.
Steeler boys!
Yeah, Steelers. Beat the Browns, hanging out with Kasim.
I hope I beat the Watts Road Panthers.
Yeah, that's right.
Gotta beat the Watts Road Panthers!
Yeah, gotta beat them. Isn't it awesome, Kasim? Aren't you happy right now?
Yeah.
It's hard to beat a football coach, you know?